All right, we out here again. Still out here, actually. You see a car over here that slid off the road. This is actually black ice. It's black ice out here. It looks other than the snow, but these roads, this highway is slippery. It's actually black ice. We got something else going on up here. Emergency vehicles. It's on I-94 here in Michigan. No matter how much we're accustomed to this, like I was saying, things can still happen. Just gotta be patient. Give everybody some space on these roads. And just drive cautious. Like I said, even though you can't actually tell, but this is slick out here. It's black ice on the road. You see where something hit this bank right here. Coming up on this. Don't know exactly what happened. These are the conditions. Just got to be cautious. Take your time, people. It's the time of the year. Okay, we made it through that. Be safe, YouTube.